ako dyan! Hindi naman ako maselan, pwede ako isabay! Kaya!
Philippines Commission on Elections, CEF number 24. Certificate of Canvass of Votes and Proclamation of Winning Candidate for Mayor. May 12, 2025 National, Local, and Farm Parliamentary Elections. May 12, 25. We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 1,584 class precincts for the candidates wherein for mayor in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached hereto and forming part thereof is the statement of votes by precincts CEF number 20-8 garnered by each candidate for the office of mayor. That after such canvass, it appears that Dumagoso Isko Moreno the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office.
Iwan na nga pagtatlawan!
On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim that God needs to be mayor of NCR, City of Manila, province of NCR, Manila. In witness whereof, we affix our signatures and imprint our landmarks in the City of Manila, province of NCR, Manila on May 13, 2025, 8:50 p.m. City Board of Canvassers, Jenny Menes, Chairperson, Giovanni Dini, Vice Chairperson, Nerissa Lumeda, Member Secretary.
Yeah! Pamilya Dumagoso. Nasaan na si Ian?
Ano po, uwi na?
Di ba ano siya?
Uwi na.
Congratulations, Pamilya Dumagoso. Ano pamilya? Yorme! 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 Kong! Kong! Kuya Kong!
I have no words, but thanks to the people of Manila. I'm grateful to each and every citizen of the city. In this type of Monday, I really owe it to you. I will do my best to be a better mayor of the city. And lastly, ako naman, alam ko sa June 30 pa kumupo, para naman kumipisa pa yung salita ko na yun. Ito naman, nananawagan ako sa inyo. Let's start healing this island. Too many words, hurtful words thrown to us and to you. I know. But sabi nga, let's be magnanimous in victory. And